YouTube. So in today's episode I am installing a set of Rocksliders that I built for this truck. And as you can see, this truck in itself is probably one of the most beautiful specimen in its generation. This truck comes with a leveling kit. I think it's either a 2 or 3 inch leveling kit installed in the front and rear. And the tire size is, here it is, 33 by 12.5 by 17. So it in itself is a beautiful truck. So guys, we'll be installing a set of Rocksliders into this truck, and I'll show you the Rockslider that I built. This is how she looks like. Comes with a kick out with a slanted legs in between. She's ready to be installed. And so I'm gonna install her into it. Let's have some fun. As you can see, like usual, I've already prepped the frame here on this side and that side as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mock it up and I'm gonna burn her in. Okay, so this is how she looks like. She looks really, really nice, I'll be honest with you. There. Super duper nice. And there. So as you can see, she comes, if there's a tree or log or a rock, comes here and here and gets passed off to this rock. Okay, and if it just gets stuck here, this angle right here, it's about 50-60 degrees. If you back up, it can reset. Okay, if it's too steep, you're between a rock and a hard place. So that's how I design my Rocksliders, and she looks really nice, to be honest with you. There. So basically she's mounted on, mocked on, clamped on. I'm gonna finalize my weld and we'll go on the other side. Okay guys, so she is done. Still, yeah, she looks really nice here as well. I'll show you on this side. She's just been welded. So excuse the mess here, needs to be cleaned. Just been welded underneath here as well, and here. And let's go look at the other side. There she be. So I'm gonna paint that area, these areas here. So yeah, I had a lot of fun building the set of Rockslider for my buddy and Zane. This is such a beautiful 4Runner. There she is, all in her glory.
nhỏ mùa kế son dài của bố mơ lên mùa vì cô chỉ cho lên tương lai nghĩa cô dĩ nghĩa mùa nghĩa chiều cô quên lên nhau ăn chua rồi cô chỉ mua con lại chỉ để nó tua sớm đưa nhau có dây bút tao cùn lũ nên chưa nên mua thọ có tua cụ chạy tên em cho cụ nhỏ mua kê rồi có bao tiền cụ trông nó cho có dây bút tao cùng luôn nên hót lên mùa tình nghĩa của sự sinh trao từ ta chiều cùng cùng lên nhau quá cha e có bồi người tu cu e có bồi người cha cu nhỏ mùa kế son dài của bố mơ lên mùa vì cô chỉ cho lên tương lai nghĩa cô dĩ nghĩa mùa nghĩa chiều cô quên lên nhau ăn chua rồi cô chỉ mua con lại chỉ để nó tua sớm đưa nhau về giờ có bao tiền cũng trong nhỏ để cho có dây bút tao cùng